Welcome back to the Road Show. A little bit earlier in the show, we introduced you to Schmitty the weather dog, and Schmitty does join us again this morning. There she is, kicking back, maxing and relaxing. She's looking for a drink, I think, and I think we can help her with that because along with Schmitty is manager of Pineapples, Jay Martin.
Hi there.
Thanks so much for being here this morning. Now,
pleasure.
for someone like Schmitty's discerning taste, I mean, look at her. She is a woman, a bitch really, with lovely choices of sunglasses. She's festive. What would someone like Schmitty want to partake in?
Well, we do out at the Hyatt Regency in Newport. We do every day at 5 p.m. We have a mocktail cocktail for our pet-friendly hotel that we have, hosted by Schmitty this summer, and also our resident dog Darby, who's a border collie that helps keep the geese away.
Yes,
geese at bay or on the bay and away from us.
So why don't you make Schmitty her drink? Because,
so we'll do that again. Schmitty is it's a little early in the morning for her to start this, but we will start with our Bowser beer.
Darktail Ale, a non-alcoholic beer for dogs.
So,
do they like this sort of thing?
They seem to enjoy it very much so.
Let me see. Schmitty.
Okay.
Hey, Schmitty, do you want a brewski? A brewski for the Schmidtster? Okay,
a little early in the morning for her, I think.
She knows it's early. Right, buddy? Okay.
And then for the adult version here, we're going to do a little salty dog today for the adults that bring their dogs out to the Pineapples and the Hyatt Regency. So we'll start with that. That's just a...
Now, Schmitty, watch this closely because I expect you to make this for me later, okay?
Okay. So we're going to rim the glass with some salt here.
We're rimming the glass, Schmitty.
Okay, yeah.
A little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt on the rim there. Take a little tartness from the grapefruit away.
Okay.
And we just, very nice little gin and grapefruit.
And next thing you know.
And next thing you know, you're having a good time, and look out.
I like that.
Lime,
now tell me about this mocktails. When is it? When can people head over to Pineapples?
They can head it. Well, again, it's on our great lawn that we call. It's on the backside of the hotel, facing the Newport Bridge in Narragansett Bay. Beautiful location. Every day at 5 o'clock.
Very nice.
We do that there. And
now, do you have another drink?
I do. We're going to make one again for our adults. One that's been very, very popular, which is called the Rhode Island Runner,
really
kind of a takeoff on a rum runner.
Okay.
So we use pineapple-flavored rum, banana-flavored rum, a little blackberry brandy, and some orange juice and some sour mix. We shake it up very nicely and finish it off with a pineapple wedge. It's very light, refreshing. Some beautiful flavors.
I love that, and I have to tell you, where do you get this beer for dogs?
Well, again, the Bowser Brewery makes it for us there, and I think it's exclusively at the Hyatt in Newport there.
Now I have to smell it. Oh, you know what? It smells like cats. No wonder they like this stuff. Schmitty is a little. I think she's complaining because she wants to. She wants to get a little sip. So we'll let Schmitty sit here. And I'm gonna.
Now, Elizabeth, I think you'll enjoy this one very much.
Now, unlike Schmitty, I am not opposed to a little tipple in the morning. Jay, thanks so much for being here this morning.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you.
Delicious. Oh, I love that one. That is really good. I'll be back for seconds. Thanks for being here this morning.
Absolute pleasure.
Back over to you guys.